a thing within society these days, right? That you should not work hard, but work smart. And yes, we have interviewed a lot of persons, both vendors like within the streets, and also, for persons who work in the corporate areas. But what we have observed is that the persons within the street, they would say, quote unquote, take more risk than an individual who, like, say, work corporate, right? But let's touch in terms of working hard versus working smart. And it's evident as well, like in college and so on. So what is your thought on that? Work hard or work smart and not hard?
I think the two are interchangeable. You cannot separate one from the other. In the process of trying to work smart, you are actually working hard. So in working hard, we are working smart.
Yes.
Yes. So that is how I see that.